Hi there, my name's Neil Glasgow and I am a professional voiceover. I'm here working today with Voquent and I'm here to talk to you about your PowerPoint presentation. Now, you may be thinking that you're going to add some voice to your next PowerPoint presentation. This may be for some promotional work that you're doing. You may be turning your PowerPoint into an online video. You may be looking to send something out to your investors. So, what really is the best way to approach this when you're putting voice to your PowerPoint? Now, there are really three ways that you can approach this. One, you can record the voiceover yourself. There are applications on laptops and mobile phones that people can use, and PowerPoint can embed that into your presentation. You can use what's called a text-to-speech. Now, text-to-speech is essentially where you would write the text that you want to come out, and the laptop or application that you use will then use that robot voice that you will have heard, and they can add that into your PowerPoint. Or you can engage a professional voiceover to deliver your presentation for you. Now, which one really works the best? And I'm going to give you an insight into what that looks like now. So, you've decided to create the content yourself. You're going to record this on your laptop, your mobile phone, whatever medium that you may have available. And you could actually deliver this really, really well. You could give it with passion and gusto and everything that you want your investors, your audience to really engage with. But in listening to what I'm saying right now, what you're going to hear is the audio quality that comes out of that. And ultimately, from hearing something professional to what you're hearing at the moment, it kind of jars the ear a little bit. And what I've found, and other people in professional industries have found, is that when the audio quality is bad, they tend to be listening for the mistakes, not for what you're actually saying. Now, I won't give you an example of a text-to-speech because we've all heard that. A robotic voice is not particularly engaging, and when we've received those phone calls and it's an automated message telling you that, HMRC's on the phone or this particular business wants to contact you, it's just this robotic thing. It's not engaging, and actually, people don't buy into it. Or you can listen to this audio quality from a professional studio, a professional setup, and ultimately a professional voiceover or voice actor to deliver your speech, your content, your video the way that you need it and want it done. Having engaging audio makes all the difference. Now, to be fair, if you are looking to do this yourself, the things that you're going to need are a well-treated room, that is a contained space with some acoustic treatment foam, which is the stuff that you'll see behind me. You'll need a professional microphone, what's called a DAW, a DAW, a digital audio workstation to process your audio, a preamp at the very least, and a professional quality microphone, which is what I have here. This is a Lewitt 540S. And you'll find microphones of that kind around the 200 plus mark. This is about a £500 microphone. They go all the way up to thousands of pounds. So it really depends what you want, but you can create your own space. The worst thing that you can do is record in an ill-treated space or not to use the proper equipment, which I've demonstrated for you in the audio, but just for reference, this is what that sounds like. It's not really the best quality audio there, and that is a sound that is in a well-treated space with a poor microphone. I'm just using the phone microphone there. It doesn't sound quite as nice. I hope you found this brief video of interest, and if you've got any questions, you can reach out to the guys at Voquent. The email address is sales@voquent.com, and they'll be absolutely happy to help and project manage your project if you require as well. They can engage thousands and thousands of voice actors and voiceovers from all over the world in any language and dialect that you're looking for. If you've got any other questions, there are links in the description below. I hope that's helped. My name's Neil Glasgow, and I hope to see you again soon.